on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup. Today is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. So you already know that's the vibe. So with that said, we are going to be jumping right into it. What is going on, my boo? Again, happy Valentine's Day. Let me prime the eyes with the Plouise Rumor 5 real quick. But yeah, what's going on, boo? What y'all doing today? What y'all little nasty self? What you doing? I do have something planned today for me and my husband. And this look that I'm doing, I will definitely be wearing it tonight. So I'm excited to show y'all how I'm gonna be looking. Really quick for my new boos that's just seeing me. For moisturizer and for primer, it is the Hello Hydration by e.l.f. and the Poreless Putty. And what I do before I even do my eyes, I put my primer and my moisturizer on and I let it sit while I do my eyes, and then I jump into my foundation. I have noticed that this is a better like filter finish blend when you do this. So tips. So for eyes, we're going to be jumping into the Tati Palette by Stacey Marie. Okay, y'all know. So we're going to be jumping into Chili Pepper, and I'm going to be stamping this all over my lid and just keep stamping this. Yes, we is giving sexy, but I wanted to also do something simple. So that is the vibe. I'm so excited for Valentine's Day. We gonna have fun today. Every day is Valentine's Day for me and my husband, and I'm not just saying it, I'm keeping it very real. All right, next we're going to be jumping into Blaze. And we just gonna be taking this red and we just gonna be bringing it out to have it blend real good. You know what I'm saying? So now since we have that down, we're going to jump into the Stacey Marie Antidote palette, and we're going to jump into this pink. It's called Bonbon, and we're going to take Bonbon and we're going to blend Bonbon out. I do want to do my brow bone really quick, so we're going to jump into this Pearl. I like Pearl. I like Pearl a lot. Alright, next I want to do a wet look. I want to give wet. So I'm going to be jumping into the MAC lip gloss, and I just tap it over the color like that. Don't go too far to the lid because it will slide your lashes off. What I vibe today. I'm just going to take another brush and just tap around the edges. And then let me jump on some mascara. I'm still using the big mood, you know, because I'm in the big mood. Hey, okay, it's Valentine's Day, and this is actually by e.l.f. So now I have my lashes down. We're going to be jumping into foundation. For foundation, we're going to be jumping into the Estee Lauder Double Wear. This is in the color Deep Spice, and putting this all over the face. I told y'all already that I put my primer and my moisturizer on. I just been liking to do that, you know. Next, we're going to be jumping into the Plouise, the Rumor 5 and the Rumor 6 base, and I mix this and I put this under my eyes. That's like my cover up for my dark circles. And then I'll just take the beauty blender and clean it up real good. Like that just blends in real good. Cause you know, we try and get wet. We try and get sexy, okay? I'm going to be just taking Pat McGrath and lay it over top. And then I'm going to just take a lighter shade in the e.l.f. Hydrated Cameo. So I'm going to just take a little bit of that and just lay that right over top. Just to give a little teeny bit of highlight. You know, I want to brighten up a little bit for my baby. And now we can start blending this in. Always remember, if you feel like you got too much on your beauty blender, wipe it off. Do not keep touching all of that product if it's too much on your face. You know what I'm saying? Like, no, you know. I really like the way this eye came. Oh, honey, giving wet, okay? Now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into the Beauty Bakery, and this is in the caramel. I like the Beauty Bakery. And for contour, we're going to be jumping into the e.l.f. Cameo Concealer, and this is in the color Rich Ebony. This has definitely been like my go-to concealer. You don't need a lot, and it just brings your face out so good. I like that. You see, I just put a little bit right there, and always brush up. Contour the nose. So now since I have that down, let me hurry up and just real quick jump into the Beauty Bakery bronzer, and this is in the color Perfect Blend. This is like one of my favorite bronzers now. Can just use a little bit. And for under eye, I'm just taking that same chili pepper red that we use, and I'm gonna stamp this right under the eye, just closing the eye up just a little bit. And then I'm just gonna take that Blaze, dust that right under. Dust this off, and then after that, let me spray. And for highlight, we're going to be jumping into the Stacey Marie palette, the Over It, and you already see what's going on. You dig what I'm saying? Like, all right. And then next, we're going to be jumping into the e.l.f. Putty. I always get it all wrong, but the Putty Blush, and we're going to take that and we're going to stamp that right at the ball of the cheeks. So now we're going to be jumping into lip, and as you can see, I real quick got dressed really quick. Okay, so for lip, we're going to be jumping into the Lime Crime lip pencil in the color, what's this, Fang? Yeah, Fangs. Next, I'm going to be jumping into the MAC by Tiana Teller, and this is a Rosen Harlem. Give me kiss, give me kiss. So we're going to be jumping into this cute pink Smashbox lippy, and this is called Babe Alert. Babe Alert. Place it in the middle. Ooh, I like that. I have to do a wet lip, okay? Like, that's a must, okay? So I'm going to take this gloss and lay this over. Ooh. All right, so now we can do the final spray. And this is the final look, my boos. Oh. I'm just saying, this is the final look. We are giving Valentine, we are giving wet, we are giving sexy. It's like, I hope you guys are really feeling this look. If you are, make sure you do not forget to smash that like button, and also leave me a comment down below, boo. Also, my boo, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? Hit the notification bell button too, because you do not want to miss my uploads. All right, so with that being said, I love you, boo, so much. Happy Valentine's Day. Don't forget to keep God first, even on Valentine's. Okay, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah.